Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about TikTok tips and tricks. If you want to go viral or you want to grow your TikTok account very fast, consider to stay tuned to this video and see new tricks to discover trending topics and trending keyword, search volume, popular search as far as TikTok growth is concerned. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Then go ahead and click on inbox right here. Then click on system notifications. Then slide in this way. Go ahead and click on creators updates. Go ahead and click on perfect for your creative style. Then here you go. You have hundreds of millions views videos that are going viral globally according to your creative nature right here. You can scroll down right here and check on more details about some of different keywords right here. You can see the more you scroll down, the more you see or explore more topics right here. Just like so. Now, what you want to do right here, you can decide to check on trending topic and popular search by different country. For that, go ahead and click on global right here. Click on global. This will give you some of the available countries right here. Now, this is for all global. You can decide to uncheck all global and let's check on America only. That is United States of America. We want to know what is actually popular search in America. Go ahead and hit on confirm. Then in a few seconds, you can refresh. You can see the new result has been given right here. Scroll down right here and then you'll be given some of the keywords that are actually trending right now in United States, which simply means that if you create a content around any of this topic right here, you are getting your views only from United States. However, we can go back right here to check on more, click on here and then select all global, hit on confirm. This will give you all available country, just like see. So you can see the graph here has been drastically reduced or increased. Then you can check by days, by months, by hours. Go ahead and click on here. Click on here and then you have last 30 days, last 60 days and last 6 months ago. So if you want to check on the last 30 days here, so go ahead and select on that. Then you have a graph right here. You can see in the last 30 days. You can switch back right here from last 30 days to last 7 days. This will give you current trending search volume and the keyword across the globe, just like so. The more you scroll down, the more you see everything right here. And then this is for hashtag section and this is title. So you can go ahead and explore the hashtag right here and then you find out all the trending hashtag from the sections right here. It's that simple. You can go ahead and go back right here. Then if you want to use any of the topic right here to create something similar in order to go trend on your TikTok account, like for instance, content ideas for reaching 12 million. So click on it and then it's going to take you right here. So the number of search for this particular keyword is very low, which is 99 in the last 7 days. You can see related video in this category. So if you slide down this way, you see some of the related video in this category. You can click on any of the video right here and see how the previous creator create the video in this particular content idea for reaching 12 million views. So let's go back right here and check on the maximum views right here topics. Okay. Like for instance, let's take a look at this 40 million views video. So click on it right here and then you have the popular search for this keyword is over 2,000 and you can see the views as far as this particular keyword is concerned for the related video. You can scroll down right here and check on more and more and more. Then from here, you can easily pick any topic, do extensive research and turn on your camera, create something similar and blow up your TikTok account overnight. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to grow your TikTok account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.